Not now. Wow. Picture perfect. Jeez. Picture perfect.
Still on in it? It's still good.
Yeah.
Let's go. Start to see some house.
We're almost there. Come on. We almost reached. Baby one, turn around. Say morning.
Morning.
Where are we going?
Adventure.
Adventure. Baby number 2 is coming. Baby number 2 is coming. Baby number 2. Baby number 2. Why is your nose running, baby number 2?
To buy ice cream.
Come here. Come here.
We are going to buy ice cream.
Sarah, let mama wipe your nose. Come.
Mama, we are going to buy ice cream.
No, we're not going to buy ice cream. Say morning.
Baby number 3.
Baby number Baby number 3. And baby number 4. Let me show you guys my outfit of the day.
You look like a jaguar.
I look like a jaguar because of this outfit of the day. We are going on an adventure, you guys, so we have to dress comfy and ready. Who's ready? Who's ready?
The one that goes. The one that goes.
Hold on. Let me start the vlog. Hi, faves. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon and good night. We are heading out right now. It's holiday here today, and we decided to go far away into the mountains. Just kidding. We're not going into the mountains, but we're going on a trail where, of course, there won't be a lot of people just to get out of the house. So we have our mask, we have snacks, we have water, we're strapped, and we're ready to go. Who's ready?
Me.
I'm ready.
All right, let's go. Sarah, are you ready? No, we're not going to the beach.
But why? There is sun cream here.
This is to carry?
No.
Mama,
Yes,
why
Dad?
there is this here?
Because you're gonna be in the sun.
Okay.
Look at my princess.
Water.
Hey, little goodie. Put it in the side of the bag. Put it on the inside of the bag. Things in the side. Alright, you guys, we're heading out on the road and we'll catch you guys along the way. Say morning, princess. Say morning. Morning. Alright, let's go. Is enjoying the trail walk. Baby strapped with Sarah. And I am here. You guys, we're out here on this trail. It's quite a few people out here, but of course everybody is walking along, so no one is together. So it's just us at this spot right now. And we're walking, the trail is along the beach. And I think it's supposed to last about 2 hours. So we're walking. Good little exercise. And Sarah doesn't like when we stop to take pictures or for whatever reason. She just wants to keep going. You just want to keep going, Mama. And she's enjoying being on Papa back. Anyway, let me show you guys the view that we're walking along. There it goes. So we have the beach all along the way. So it's like this. Going up this trail. So we'll make sure we wear good shoes and we're walking. The only thing I'm sorry is that I wear jeans. I should have wear leggings, but lesson learned when I'm going on trails to wear leggings and not jeans. I would be more comfortable. It's a good thing I put on this jogger pants and tie. Come.
And yeah. These stairs. Maybe you can jump up the stairs.
No, car can't drive here. So the car already stopped. That's why you're not seeing the wheels anymore.
Yes, it stopped at the first of this day.
And Ty is enjoying the walk, right, Ty?
Yeah.
Yes. Whew. There we go, up these stones.
Ew.
Kaka alert.
It's dangerous when there is wind.
Not now. Wow. Picture perfect. Jeez. Picture perfect. Stop. You stop.
Be careful not to go in the water.
What a beauty.
There should be.
So pretty. Slow down, Ty. Slow down.
Follow me, I'm a chef.
Follow you, you're a chef. Okay, go.
Wait. Oh! Can't do my... Come in the beach.
Our boat. Go, go. Oh, we're still going. We're still going. We haven't even reached halfway. I took over side. She's here on me. Alright, let's go. Come on. We can do it. This looks good. Yeah. A little overhead. Catch us going now. Oh. This is double the workout I did this morning. Holy cow.
And this is what, 25% of the trail?
Exactly. We're nowhere yet. Yeah.
Look at little baby.
Was that bad? Oh, okay. Go. You're right. Go, go, go.
Behind
Go. Tell him I'm dying. I'm dying.
You're tired?
I'm dead. I'm tired. I'm just going.
It's a nice way.
Oh yeah. It's a really nice trail.
You see a stroller there? You see a stroller there?
You'd have to turn back or carry it on your head.
Oh yeah.
What would you do?
Turn back.
Knowing you would have definitely turned back and go to the car and catch me. What adventure stroller?
Oh no.
Go.
It's different from the other way that I took, so I'm not taking some
to
video.
the grass?
Mm-hmm.
Go, Ty. Don't touch anything.
You
Just go.
live in a type of a car.
Yes, that's why you're not to touch it. Hands up. Right. So we don't get hurt by the leaves. Hands up. Hands up. Don't shoot. Hands up. Don't shoot. Don't shoot. If it was flat, you would have gone faster. Okay, so it stopped the other way that we see. Bring us down to the water.
Yeah, that's what I've told you is where the people are. You happy?
Very happy.
Tell everything fine?
You having fun?
Yes.
Tyler's a champion. Tyler's not tired. Tyler's just going. What's wrong?
I didn't bring no game.
That's okay. We won't have time to stop. We're only gonna stop and eat and keep going again. Go.
Hey guys, we are still on our way. We're having fun. It's getting hard. But we're having fun. Little step by little step. Tara is fine.
What did you
It's rough in these streets. I'm dying. I'm tired.
You're dying.
I'm dying.
She dying.
Yeah, I'm tired. And Tyler is just going. Well, Sarah said to continue walking. Sarah is ready.
Sarah is ready?
Yes. Sarah
Okay.
don't like to stop.
Oh, okay.
Come,
Let's go,
Sarah,
continue.
Let's go. Come, Tyler.
Where's my mom? I love the cold.
You love the cold? What cold? You guys are taking a break. We're 1 hour into our walk, so we take a break. I had bring banana and melon and snack for the kids, so we're taking a snack break. Refueling.
You alright, Tyler?
Yes, I know some games without things.
Okay.
So first game.
Oh, you
First
want?
game is that we're gonna get up and start walking.
Yeah.
Who, the first game is who first get up and continue the trail. Ready? Come on, Papa, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Oh, Papa gonna lost.
Oh, Papa is a loser. Get down.
That's the view from your. It's peaceful. You come here.
The melon fell here.
Yes, from Sarah.
You come here with your book.
So get a good little read.
Oh,
Listen to the ocean.
your mind away from everything.
Look at Princess. Who's that? Who's that? She in her yes little goodie shirt. Yes, I'm a little goodie. Yes, I'm a little goodie. Got it, got it, got it.
We, I think, officially halfway. Well, it's not safe to be because she think we're more than halfway. Well, I think we're halfway. So, yeah, this is still beautiful. So I'm gonna go back with them and let's see what's next. Still holding it? It's still good?
Yeah. Jump!
Let's go. Start to see some house.
Have a little hope. We're almost there. Come on. We almost reached.
I got it on top of my head. Put the coat on my baby. It could glow.
Look at Tyler with his little foot. You're tired? You're tired now? Allez, you're almost there. Let's see Mama with her workout. How's Mama legs? Okay.
Why did I bother to work out this morning?
Oh yeah.
It was a waste of time.
good. Yes. Tyler, you're still good. You're tired. You're hungry. Okay. So I'm gonna stop too.
It's a good thing I carried two just for you.
He did some sport. Look at us. Look,
Walk the entire way, the entire 2 hours, walking from 10 minutes before 2, and it's
now
5
I'm
minutes
broken.
before 4.
Completely broken.
You're
Yes, because of all this tired.
All the
Give me
what?
all this walking that give me tired. So we can stay here for a while.
Okay, have a biscuit. So we're taking snack break for the kids. Drinking her milk. And she's gonna fall asleep when the car starts driving.
One day she will be walking too.
Oh yeah. One day she's gonna ditch the stroller like Tyler. Tyler ditched his stroller at 2 years old, right? He's been walking to the store.
Yeah, when he was 2,
going to school.
after 2 going to preschool, he don't like to be in the stroller. I used to bring him the stroller, but then he said, "Papa, I want to walk. I don't want to be in the stroller."
Even when we go on adventures like this, he would never want the stroller. He would walk the entire way.
The only thing is the first time that
use carrier.
he 2 hours. He walked for 2 hours.
Yeah, it's the first time he walked this long. But I'm not surprised that he walked the entire way.
No, it's good.
That one there was in Sarah's stroller.
Yes, when you fell asleep, you weren't feeling well.
Yes.
But you're a big boy. Alright, eat a biscuit. We're almost ready.
She looked like Tyler.
Look like a cowboy.
We got back home. Everybody is home. As you guys can see, everybody is busy. Sarah is there in her chair. We all got showered, got fresh, take away all those clothes and all those things, and jump right into the kitchen and made dinner. And let me show you guys what we made for dinner tonight.
Not healthy, but good.
Well, after that 2 hours walk, hello.
Yeah.
So this is mine. I'm gonna add some fried chicken to it and some sausage. That's for Tyler and that's for Babe. So I made these sausages and a fried chicken in the fryer and a fried fries for the boys. So yeah, that's dinner. I think you guys have seen enough of us for today, so I'm gonna end the vlog right now without giving you guys any expression. We're super tired, we're super hungry, so we're just gonna chill and relax and spend time as family for the rest of the day. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam catch fun keep up, and we'll see you guys. Everybody said tomorrow. Tyler, Ty said tomorrow. Tyler.
I'm a dog.
Say tomorrow.
Goodbye.
Sarah said bye.
Because Peach is a baby.
She's saying bye.
Bye.
We're out.